Hello everyone, I'm Taylor. We're back with part 3 of our cleaning without increasing our pain. So let's talk a little bit about sweeping and mopping today. One of the things that we tend to see a lot of is a lot of motion here and here, right? When we sweep and when we mop. But if we look at our spine, the motions that our back hates the most is this twisting motion. So where these joints are twisting back and forth, right? And then what we call shearing motion, which is us going side to side, which happens when we sweep and we mop. So if we're sweeping or mopping, when we're shifting side to side or we're rotating side to side, that's going to put a lot of stress on our disc. So if anyone's told you have a bulging disc or you've got a disc herniation and it hurts when you sweep and mop, this is probably why. So a couple of tips to help you is the further we reach the broom out or the mop, the more stress it's going to put on our back. So we want to keep it close. We also want to keep our feet with a good wide base of support. This allows us to use our arms and our legs as we sweep side to side. Right? If we reach out a little too far, we're going to get a lot more stress on our back, and it's going to twist, and it's going to put pressure on those discs. It's going to cause you pain, right? And then last but not least is just say you've done a good job. You've swept up everything that you need to sweep up, right? Make sure that you're turning your feet so that you're getting in a good solid motion. Keep the broom close to you or the mop. With brooms, right, we got to get the rest of that stuff up one way or the other. So as we bend down, we want to make sure that we're using our legs, bending down, hinging at our hips, right? Hinging at our hips, and using our legs as we go down so that we can use the dustpan to get all the dirt up off the floor. If we bend down like this, and we try to do it this way, it's again going to increase stress on our back, which is going to increase pain. What I like to do is get it close to an area like, let's just say a kitchen counter, a sink, right? Where we can then use the table or the sink to help us get down on one knee, sweep up into it from there. That's going to put more stress on our legs and those muscles on our legs. That way we can go from there. And then as we stand up, we can use the side to help push ourselves up. From there, that will help you decrease pain with mopping, with sweeping, so that you can keep your house clean and not have any pain. We've got one more, so come on back for part 4. This is part 3 of our how to take care of your house without having pain. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Give these tips a try, and let us know how they go. And then for our last part, we're going to talk about how to make the bed and how to make sure we do our laundry without increasing our back pain. So, if making your bed and doing the laundry is giving you pain, let's fix it. I'm going to show you a few tips on how to get rid of that. Okay? Bye guys. Stay clean.